Good morning, all of you. There is a new topic of 10th standard, that is the trigonometrical identities, and this is chapter number 21. Students, you already know about trigonometrical identities means ratio. In about trigonometrical you learned in 9th standard. Okay. Again, I repeat about trigonometrical identities or a ratio. Student, what is mean of trigonometry? Trigonometry means the science which deals with the measurement of a triangle. Measurement of a triangle. In this, we take a right angle triangle. We take a right angle triangle. Let we have a right angle triangle A, B, and then C. And this is the 90-degree angle. Let this is base. Let me write this B, and this is perpendicular P, and this is a hypotenuse. Okay, and write this H. Okay, base, perpendicular, and a hypotenuse. There is 6 trigonometrical ratio. First is sine. Sine, let this angle, we take this angle A, then sine A. If we take this angle theta, then we write here and theta. Okay. According to this angle, we take a right angle triangle. According to this angle, this is base, this is perpendicular, this is a hypotenuse. First is sine theta. Second is cos theta. Third is tangent theta. Fourth is cotangent theta. And fifth is secant theta, and sixth is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta. These are 6 trigonometrical ratio. What is sine theta? According to this right angle triangle, sine theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, perpendicular by hypotenuse means P by H, and we write this perpendicular BC by AC. BC by AC. Okay. Sine theta perpendicular by hypotenuse. And what is cos theta? Cos theta base by hypotenuse means B by H, and we write this base AB divided by AC. Okay. And what is sine theta? Tangent theta. We know that tangent theta is sine by cos, and tangent theta is perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base, we write this P by B, perpendicular BC by A. Okay. And next is cotangent theta. This is the reciprocal of tangent theta. If tangent P by B, then this is the B by P, and we write this AB by BC. Okay. Next is secant theta. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. If cos B by H, then secant theta H by B equal to AC by A. Okay. And cosecant theta is reciprocal of sine theta, and this is H by P, and this equal to AC by BC. Okay. Secant theta, we write secant theta 1 by cos theta, and we write cosecant theta equal to 1 by sine theta, and also we write cotangent theta equal to 1 by tangent theta. Okay, these are reciprocal of tangent. And there is any other result. We have first is sine square theta plus cos square theta, and is equal to 1. If we add sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. And next is 1 plus tan square theta, this equal to secant square theta. If we add 1 plus tangent square theta, that is equal to secant square theta. From this result, we also write 1 equal to secant square theta minus tangent square theta, and also we write tangent square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. From one result we find this 3 result. Okay. Next is third, 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. and also we write 1 equal to cosecant square theta minus cot square theta, and also we find cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Okay, we learn this some rules. After that use this result to solving our question. Okay, now I will take some question from exercise 21a. These are some questions from exercise 21a, and in all the question prove the following, means in all the questions left and right side, left hand side and right hand side. Okay, we take any one of the side and prove other side. If we take left, then we prove according to right, and right then we take according to left. Okay, most of question first we take complicated side. Okay, we take complicated side. So our first question is secant a minus 1 by secant a plus 1 equal to 1 minus cos a 1 plus cos a. We have to show that left equal to right. You take any one of the side because all both the side of the same type. Okay, let we take left hand side. You write of this type left hand side secant a minus 1 secant a plus, and we have to prove that in form of cos. So we change secant in the form of cos. This implies that we put a secant. What is secant? We write secant 1 by cos a. 1 as it is divided by, in place of secant a, 1 by cos a plus 1. Okay. Next is you take LCM, you 1 by 1 you take LCM cos a, and there is only 1 minus cos a multiply cos a divided by same, take LCM cos a, and there is only 1 plus cos a divided by 1 cos and multiply with 1, then cos a. Okay, cos a cancel, then in numerator 1 minus cos a, and in denominator 1 plus cos a, and this equal to right hand side. You write this right hand side. Okay, left hand side equal to right hand side and right hand side. Okay, then question number 5th, sin 4a minus cos raised to the power 4a equal to 2 sin square a minus 1. Okay, I take left hand side sin 4a minus cos 4a. Okay, and we write this sin square a square minus cos square a square. Okay, and this is a square, and this is b square. A square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So we write this in place of a sin square, this is a and this is b. A square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. First we take a square plus b square, a plus b, and next we write a square minus b. In place of a, this minus a. Okay, and what is this? We know that sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1 according to 3 result. Okay, this is 1 into sin square a minus cos square a, but we find result in form of only sin, and we know that sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. Okay, you find the value of cos square a, only cos square a equal to 1 as it is, and sin right hand side sin square a. So you write cos square a equal to 1 minus sin square a. In mostly place we use this type of result. Okay, cos square a equal to 1 minus sin square a. So you put in place of cos square a 1 minus sin square a. 1 multiply with same sin square a as it is, minus in place of cos a 1 minus sin square a. Then sin square a as it is, minus 1 minus plus sin square a. Okay, sin square 2 sin square minus 1, and this equal to right hand side, and you write left hand side equal to right hand side and hands okay. Next question number 10. Secant square A plus cosecant square A equal to secant square A multiplication cosecant square A. These are in plus but there is a multiplication. So we take any one of the side. I take left hand side. Left hand side secant square A plus cosecant square A. Okay. We write secant square A mostly. We write tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant in form of sine, cos and tangent. Okay. And what is secant? Secant 1 by cos square A plus what is cosecant? 1 by sine square A. Okay. And take LCM. If you take LCM, then cos square A and sine square A. These are in multiplication. So there is divided by cos square A, cos square cancel, only sine square, then there is a sine square A and there is a cos square. And what is this? Sine square A plus cos square A by cos square A into sine square A. And what is this? This equal to 1. Okay. 1 by sine square A and cos square A. Okay. 1 by sine square, this equal to cosecant, and 1 by cos square, this equal to secant square. So we write this 1 by sine square A multiply 1 by cos square A, and this equal to cosecant square A, and this equal to secant square A. Okay, and this equal to right hand side. And you write left hand side equal to right hand side and a hence proof. Okay. Next question is question number 14. Cosecant A plus sin A, cosecant A minus sin A. Product of this equal to cos square A plus cos square A. I take left hand side. Okay. Left hand side cosecant A plus sin A and cosecant A minus sin. Student, if we take this A, this B, A and B, what is this? A plus B, A minus B. What is this? This is the result. A plus B minus B equal to A square minus B square. Then cosecant square A minus sin square. Okay. But we find result in form of cot and cosecant. We find result in form of a cot and a cos, and we know that according to cosecant and sine, we know that what is cosecant? 1 plus cot square, 1 plus cot square A equal to cosecant square A. Okay. 1 plus cot square A equal to cosecant square A. So we write in place of cosecant square A 1 plus cot square A. Okay. Then we write in place of cosecant square A, we write 1 plus cot square A. Okay. And minus, this is sine square A. We know that sine square A plus cos square A equal to 1. We find in form of cos. Then sine, we find the value of sine square equal to 1 minus cos square. Okay. Then we put in place of sine square A 1 minus cos square A. 1 plus cot square A minus 1 minus plus cos square A. 1 to 1 cancel and is equal to cot square A plus cos square A. Cot square A plus cos square A. Okay. And this equal to right hand side. Okay. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Next, this is question number 18. 1 by secant A plus tangent A, and this equal to secant A minus tangent A. Left also in form of secant and tangent, and right side also in secant and tangent. So we take left hand side 1 by secant A plus tangent A. Okay. We take rationalize of this. We multiply secant A minus tangent A. and secant A minus tangent A. Multiply numerator and denominator by secant A minus tangent A, secant A minus tangent A. Numerator when multiply with numerator, then secant A minus tangent A by secant A plus tangent A, secant A minus tangent A. Multiplication of this A plus B, A minus B, and this equal to A square minus B square. That means secant square A minus tangent square A. Okay. Left numerator as it is secant A minus tangent A. And what is this? Secant square A minus tangent square A. Student, is equal to 1. Because we know that 1 plus tan square A equal to secant square A. And 1 equal to secant square A minus tan square A. So secant square A minus tan square A equal to 1. So in place of this we write 1. Okay. And this equal to secant A minus tangent A. And this equal to right hand side. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Next is question number 23. Left equal to right. So we take left hand side. If we take left hand side, then first of all we take LCM. 1 plus cos, 1 minus cos. 1 plus cos A, 1 minus cos A. Okay. This divided by this cancel, only this left, and we write 1 minus cos A plus, and this divided by this cancel, only this left, 1 plus cos A. Okay. Cos to cos cancel, 1 plus 1 2. 2 by 1 plus cos, 1 minus cos. That means A plus B, A minus B. This equal to A square minus B square. 1 square 1 minus cos square A. 2 by 1 minus cos square A. According to sin square plus cos square equal to 1. So only cos square, 1 minus cos square, that is sin square A. And 2 as it is, and 1 by sin square. 1 by sin square equal to cosecant square A. Okay, and this equal to right hand side. Left equal to right hand side. So next move to next question. Next question, question number 26. First is left hand side equal to right hand side. We have to prove this. So left hand side is complicated. So first I will take left hand side. Left hand side. Okay, I take this side. First we take LCM, this and this, secant A plus 1 and secant A minus 1. This divided by this, cancel, only this left, this and this, both are multiplied. Then this equal to secant square A minus secant A. Okay, plus sign as it is. Same this complete divided by this, secant A minus 1 cancel, only this left, this multiply with secant. Secant square plus secant A, secant square A plus secant A. Okay, secant A cancel, secant square A 2 secant square A by secant A plus 1 secant A minus 1. A plus B, A minus B, A square minus B square, that is secant square A minus 1. Okay, and this equal to 2 as it is, secant square A, and 2 secant square A minus 1. This equal to tan square A, because 1 plus tan square A equal to secant, and only tan square, secant square minus 1. This equal to tan square A. Okay, we find only cosecant square A. 2 into cosecant square A, 2 as it is. Secant, we write secant 1 by cos square A. Okay, and divided by tangent sin square A by cos square A. This cancel, numerator 2 and in denominator sin square A. 2 as it is, and 1 by sin square. 1 by sin square equal to cosecant square A, and this equal to right hand side. Okay. Question number 30. 1 minus sin A, 1 plus sin A equal to secant A minus tangent A square. Okay. So you take left or right, no problem. I take right hand side. Right hand side, because we solve secant and tangent in form of sine and cos. Okay. Secant A minus tangent A square. Secant, what is secant? 1 by cos. Okay, what is tangent? Sine by cos, and complete a whole square. Okay, and this equal to, if we take LCM cos A, then LCM cos A 1 minus sine A by cos A, complete a square. Okay, in numerator 1 minus sine A complete square and divided by cos square. And what is cos square? 1 minus sine square A. Okay, cos square equal to 1 minus sine square A. Numerator 1 minus sine A complete square as it is 1. We write 1 square. A square minus B square. A plus B, A minus B. Then 1 plus sine A and 1 minus sine. Okay, 1 minus sine, 1 minus sine. There is 2 power, there is 1 power. According to quotient law, 1 power is cancelled. Then in numerator only 1 left, 1 minus sine A, and in denominator only 1 left, 1 plus sine. Okay, and this equal to left hand side. Okay, left hand side. If you take left hand side, then you multiply numerator and denominator 1 minus sine A, and this we according to this, then this equal to right hand side. Okay, next question number 34. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta, and this equal to tangent theta. Left hand side is complicated, so first I take left hand side. Sin theta, sine is common from numerator, sin theta common, then 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay, divided by cos theta common, then there is 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay student, sine by cos, these are in multiplication. Sine by cos we write tangent theta. If we cancel, then according this equal to right hand side, so we cancel this term. Okay, 1 as it is, we change any one term. 1 minus 2 sin square theta, numerator term as it is. Sine by cos we write tangent, and there is only this. In numerator this is sine, and in denominator this is in cos form, so we change this cos in sine. 2 as it is. Cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta minus 1. Okay, if we solve bracket, then 2 minus 2 sin square theta minus 1, and 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and this complete and cancel, so there is only tangent theta, and this equal to right hand side. Next question number 37. Sin A tangent A divided by 1 minus cos A equal to 1 plus secant A. Okay, left hand side, sin A tangent A by 1 minus cos A. Sin A as it is tangent equal to sin A by cos A by 1 minus cos A. Okay, sin multiply sin square A divided by cos A, and this is also in a denominator cos A. Okay, sin square A, what is sin square A? 1 minus cos square A by cos A into 1 minus cos A. Okay, and we write 1 square, A square minus B square, A plus B and A minus B. Okay, by cos A into 1 minus cos. 1 minus cos cancel, and there is only 1 minus cos A by cos A. We find this value 1 by cos. First I take 1 by cos A, then minus sign cos A by cos A. Okay, cos A by cos A. This equal to 1 minus cos, this cancel, plus as it is, so there is a plus. Okay, cos A cancel, then 1 plus 1 by cos A, 1 plus 1 by cos. 1 by cos equal to secant A, and this equal to right hand side. Okay. Next question number 39. These are important question. 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin A equal to secant A plus tangent A. So first you take root term left hand side. 1 plus sin A, 1 minus sin. Okay, you take rationalization. 1 plus sin A and 1 minus sin. Okay, numerator with numerator, then 1 plus sin A whole square and 1 minus sin and 1 plus sin, this equal to 1 minus sin square. 1 square minus sin square A, and complete. Okay, we write 1 minus sin square equal to cos square A. Okay, and we write complete 1 plus sin A by cos A and square complete and root. Square and square we write complete square and square root. Cancel out. This equal to 1 plus sin A by cos A. 1 by cos secant, and sin by cos, this equal to tangent. So this is left hand and right side equal. Okay. Next question number 41. This equal to same question, but we find according to right side in denominator 1 plus cos A, and there is a 1 plus cos in denominator. Okay, so we rationalize of numerator left hand side. 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Multiply. We find 1 plus cos in denominator. So we write 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A. Multiply and divide it. 1 plus cos A, 1 plus cos A. I rationalize of numerator. Okay, according to numerator rationalization. And this equal to A plus B, A minus B. Then 1 minus cos square A and 1 plus cos A complete and square root. 1 minus cos square A equal to sin square A by 1 plus cos A square, and complete we write this sin A 1 plus cos A complete square and square. Cancel, then this equal to sin A 1 plus cos A. Okay, next let's move to next question. Question number 43. 1 minus cos square by 1 plus sin equal to sin A. I take left hand side. 1 minus cos square A, 1 plus sin. Okay, 1 as it is. We write cos square A 1 minus sin square A by 1 plus sin. Okay, this implies that 1 minus 1 write 1 square. A square minus B square, 1 plus sin A and 1 minus sin A. Okay, A plus B, A minus B. 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin cancel. Then 1 minus sin A. Then 1 minus bracket solve 1 plus sin A. 1 to 1 cancel. This equal to sin A, and this equal to right hand side and hence. Okay. Next is question number 45. This plus this equal to on this. First I take left hand side. First is LCM. LCM is sin A minus cos A and sin A plus cos A. Okay. This divided by this cancel, only this multiply with this, and these are same. So we write sin A plus cos A square. This both are multiplied and this complete square. Plus same as it is, plus cancel, minus, then sin A minus cos A complete whole square. Okay, then you solve square of this. Sin square A plus cos square A plus 2 sin A cos A. A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Same as it is, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, and divided by sin a minus cos a, sin a plus cos a square minus b square, then sin square a minus cos square a. Okay, 2 sin cos cancel. Sin square a plus cos square a, this equal to 1 and same plus sin square a plus cos square a 1 divided by sin square a minus cos square a. But we find result in form of sine, so we change cos in form of sine. Sin square a as it is minus in place of cos. In place of cos, cos square equal to sin square a minus okay. 1 minus sin square a, 1 minus sin square a. Okay, this equal to 1 plus 1 2. Then sin square a minus 1 plus sin square a equal to 2 by sin square plus sin square 2 sin square a minus 1, and this equal to right hand answer. Okay, left hand side equal to right hand side, henceforth. That is last question, question number 48. Cos cot 1 plus sin equal to this, and we already done this type of question. So first take left hand side. Cos as it is, cotangent we write cotangent cos by sin, cos theta by sin theta, and 1 plus sin theta as it is, cos into cos square theta, then denominator sin theta, and 1 plus sin theta. Okay, we write cos square theta 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, and this equal to a square minus b square, 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta by sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. This is cancelled. Then this equal to 1 plus cancel, then only minus left, 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta by sin theta. First we write 1 by sin theta, then we write sin theta by sin theta, and this equal to 1. Then 1 by sin theta equal to cosecant theta, cosecant theta minus 1, and this equal to right hand answer. Okay, so this is exercise 21a. In next video I will do in next video exercise B, C. Okay.